What's happening, everybody? Coming to you today, man. I got another accessory for the truck. Well, my wife ordered something. I wanted to do something for our business because we basically living on a truck, so we do a lot of the computer work with paying our bills for the business and printing out certain things and uploading our receipts for our accountant and all of that stuff. So we needed something that'll make our job a little bit easier instead of paying for prints at the Loves. I think they charge like $2.50 a print sometimes, maybe more per one sheet. So we decided to buy this. I don't know how much my wife paid for it, but I guess we'll figure that out at the end of the video. And here it go. It's called a mobile printer. Mobile printer. You could download the app. Download the app on your phone and print stuff from your phone. And it has a USB. Let's check out what it has. Check out what it has. So I think they have two models. We bought the more advanced model. They have an MT610 and then an MT610 Pro. So we bought the Pro. Maybe it'll give us more features. I'm really not sure. It comes with, it's packaged kind of tight, but it came intact. Nothing was broken when we got it in the mail. And it comes with some starter sheets of paper. I think my wife ordered another bundle of paper. And it's called thermal paper. It comes with 10 sheets here. And then there goes the little whatchamajigger. Here's the little printer. See how it's not even that big. Look at that. It's enough to feed the sheet in. It has a power button, a C plug right there. And then I guess this is a release. Yes, it's a release. So I guess if, something gets, like paper gets stuck in there or something, or maybe you clean the roller or whatever, you can do that. So I'm going to just set it right here. We're going to set it right here on top of this table. We have a Cascadia, so we have this slide out table. So when I need to work, there go my laptop, and here goes but we're going to do a test print. I'm not really sure how to feed the paper. I don't really know how to do anything. Everything I do is from the hip. So we would have to let's go to the instructions right quick to see how we feed the paper. It says install the print paper. Number 1, open the top cover. So we open it from here. Open the top cover. Right. And it says pull the separator. Please adjust the separator according to the paper width. So I guess you're getting that, babe. This is the separator for the paper. Let's try it. Let's try it, guys. I'm going to do a test print. Let's take one sheet here. Oh, no. Okay, the paper width. Close the cover. Make sure the top cover is closed in place. So let's size the paper up first to make sure. So does it go all the way? Does it go? So if it close, yeah, we think that's good. All right, so it says close the cover, right? It says put the thermal paper face up into the paper inlet. Let's see which way is the inlet. So I'm assuming that the inlet is right here because this front part is bigger than the back. Yep, that's the inlet right there. Let's keep moving. Okay. It says hold down the power button for 3 seconds to start the printer. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Turn on the Bluetooth. So I got my Bluetooth on. And I do have the app downloaded. So now I think the app is called Here Print. Yep, Here Print, right there. HERE Print. We're gonna press on that. All right. So it says documents, pictures, web pages. You can scan, AI filter, history. Let's see, documents.
We don't need to print an actual document. Just use one of the templates in there.
Okay. Let's see. Nope. All right, I'm gonna just print something that I already have on there in the gallery. Here we go. And then we hit print, I believe. Copies 1. Density, I'll just put it in the middle. Margins, narrower. I don't know.
It's just a test print.
Yeah, just a test print. So let's leave all the settings the way they are. And let's see. Okay, let's put that back. Okay, just hit print. And see what happens. Nothing yet. Please select print size. Okay, so please choose paper type, folded paper, sticker, sheet of paper. US sheet of paper, US letter. Yep. All right, let's try that. So it says printing. There we go. Okay, we get in action. Get in action. I don't see anything though. This side is not a print side, it says. So we have to go face up. So I guess it has 2 sides. Let's try it again. Oh, that messed up. I put the paper in crooked, but now it's printing. So I guess it has 2 different sizes on the 2 different sides on the paper. But it did print. Is it gonna come out? Okay. So I'll put the paper in crooked. Of course, it's got to go in a lot straighter. But it did print. Look at the quality of the print. Look how dark the letters are and everything. That's pretty good. That's amazing. Yep. All right, guys. So we're gonna see how long this thing holds up. It's really compact. We're just gonna put it back in the box when we're done with it. You know what I mean? All you got to do is shut the power off, hold the power button for 3 seconds, and it'll turn off. You can print all your necessary documents and stuff that you need. You know, when your company send you insurance paperwork, new insurance cards or whatever, you could just print that stuff out. You don't have to pay your registrations and stuff like that. How much did we pay for this, babe?
It was 56, like $57.
All right. We're gonna try to put this on our Amazon store or our TikTok shop if we still have that available. Check the description below. It'll be a link in the description. Like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep rolling, guys.